I'm Maddie Gionet from Corning Incorporated, and this is Inspired by Glass. For the past 10 years, we've delivered protection from drops, bumps, and scratches with Corning Gorilla Glass, the leading smartphone cover glass, which has been featured on more than 5 billion consumer electronic devices. But Gorilla Glass's optical clarity, damage resistance, thinness, and durability don't just apply to consumer electronics anymore. Gorilla Glass is changing the rules of interior architecture. Manufacturers such as Elevecture are teaming up with Corning to deliver innovative solutions for architects and designers for more design freedom and a modern yet durable solution. Today, Corning's Gorilla Glass has been installed in a variety of spaces such as elevator interiors and lobbies as a customizable, clean, and elegant solution. To showcase some of these innovative applications, I'm here in New York City at 740 Broadway to see how Corning and Elevecture are enhancing interior spaces. Elevecture is a New York City-based company which laminates Gorilla Glass to a variety of materials such as metal, wood, and even fabric to create products such as lighting and panels for elevator interiors and lobbies like the one I'm in right now. Let's talk with Keith Blevins, the Commercial Director of Architecture at Corning. How are Corning and Elevecture transforming the architecture industry?
With architects and designers, anytime you bring in new materials, they love it because they really are artists and they're always looking for something new and different. So in combination with Elevecture, we've been able to introduce architectural solutions that really allow them the freedom that they always desire without changing their view and what they want to achieve.
What's next in architectural solutions from Corning?
Well, Maddie, as you know, whenever Corning enters a business or a space, we tend to completely change it, to alter it. And I'm convinced in architecture, where we've only been in this a short while, and you can see the result of things that we've already done, that we're just getting started. The things we're going to bring to this market, the changes we're going to make, the creativity and the freedom we're going to bring to architects is going to be truly amazing.
I'm joined by Leanne Friedman, President of Elevecture, to learn more about how Corning and Elevecture are elevating interior spaces to new levels. Leanne, how is Corning Gorilla Glass enabling Elevecture to transform traditional materials into state-of-the-art architectural finishes?
If you have a wood veneer in a building or in an elevator, in a kitchen cabinet, it gets scratched up immediately. With the Corning Gorilla Glass, it becomes much more durable, and you can use it in so many different applications now. It opens doors to using traditional materials where you hadn't been able to use it before. With Gorilla Glass, we've come up with all these new solutions.
Why is Corning Gorilla Glass a practical solution for the architecture industry?
When we walk into an architect's office and we show them different samples of the Corning Gorilla Glass with Elevecture material underneath what we've decided to laminate, there is a look of genuine excitement, possibilities of where they can put this durable, versatile, lightweight, optically clear glass throughout their buildings. Many times they've been limited by their options about the finishes in a building just based on the heaviness and greenness of float glass. But now with Corning Gorilla Glass, the options that they have are limitless in terms of design and what they want to do.
Eric Gurrah, New York City building developer and owner, joins me here at 740 Broadway, one of more than 40 properties in the Gurrah family property portfolio. Eric, his father, and his grandfather have been on the leading edge of building design for 3 generations. Eric, you sure do have an eye for cutting-edge design. Thanks so much for inviting us.
Well, thanks for coming.
Why did you choose to use Elevecture's products with Corning Gorilla Glass instead of a product with traditional architectural glass?
Well, I think the challenge here was to make sure that the durability of the glass was going to basically last forever, and Corning really met that challenge, and Elevecture was smart enough to realize that that was exactly what was needed.
What impact have Elevecture's products had on your commercial properties?
Well, it's had a really beneficial impact on the tenants. The tenants really enjoy being in these spaces and seeing the imagery that they have here. And this is something we couldn't do basically without the glass. So we've really seen a positive, reaction amongst the people in the buildings, and that's one of the things that we do as landlords.
Why is Gorilla Glass ideal for architectural spaces, and how has it changed your approach to building development and design?
What's changed our approach in terms of the tenants really want more light anywhere they can get it, and the clarity of the glass really does a great job. You know, if you look around this lobby, this was just sort of a space that was designed 25 years ago, and it remained that until now. And now it's a place that people literally stop and they want to have an experience that they don't normally have and can't get anywhere else in Manhattan. And I think the tenants really love it, and I think we're going to continue to design things basically to continue to bring light into the spaces, and we're going to continue to use Gorilla Glass.
What other innovative advanced glass technologies are you introducing in your other spaces?
Well, we bought some new property out in the boroughs here, Williamsburg and in Long Island City. So one of the things we're going to be doing is we're going to be getting all of the telecommunications systems sort of redone. And Corning has a product that we think we're going to use out there, which I think will really do a great job with sort of unlimited bandwidth, which sounds like, you know, would be a wonderful amenity to have for our tenants.
The possibilities for interior architecture have been elevated to a whole new level with Corning Gorilla Glass and Elevecture. Architects and designers now have more design freedom and flexibility to create stunning interiors with this lightweight, optically clear, durable material, while still having the ability to enhance environments to fit the style and need of any space. Talk about a perfect fit. Thanks for joining me. Until next time, I'm Maddie Gionet, and this is Inspired by Glass.